Prajak, I'll give you a funny response. So there was a managing director at Citibank.
Yeah.
I emailed him, I think, 5 or 6 times in the span of like a semester-long period.
Yeah.
He finally emailed me back saying, congratulations for being very consistent. And then just left it like that. I was like, oh, I don't know what to do now.
Just ask him, like, does it pay off? Do I get a job now?
You should write back, do I get a job now? Is what you should write back.
I asked him, I was like, listen, because the thing is, prior to that, I did get to speak to him on the phone. And I followed exactly what he told me. He's like, listen, once you get a wealth management internship and you fulfill like your junior year in the undergrad, contact me again and I'm going to start doing something with your resume and all that stuff. So I did. I didn't want to waste time because I was like, listen, like I'm at the end of my junior year. I'm trying to get an internship or something. So I followed up as much as I could. And then like after his email, I emailed him back in a good like 10 minutes, right? Like nothing like too dramatically long period.
Yeah.
And he never responded back to me.
Let's find him. Taha, I'll get him on. We'll be like, Taha has some some score to settle with you.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's funny.
Yeah, it's tough. That's tough.